Hi guys and gals, IK Handel back again. Following on, this is part 2 of the skeleton hierarchy. I've deleted that last skeleton, and for the sake of argument I'm going to make one from left to right. This means that our limits are going to go, our hierarchy is going to go in this direction. That's the way it's going to flow. Now, for the sake of argument, let's assume that this was a backbone with this left hand side being the top of the head, the next joint being the neck. So to make it simpler, I'll put it vertically like this. So this is our head joint and this is our neck. If I want to come in, I'll go into dynapose and I'll try and rotate. And what's actually going to happen, because the flow is going down the skeleton, is that instead of moving the head forwards and backwards, it's actually moving the back. What can you do about this if this is what you've done and you've already got these joints in? Well, I would suggest you get rid of that joint and then add one in, and because this is going to be closer to this end, it would automatically put the joints facing upwards. This means when you go into dynapose and click, it will now work as you expected. Now there is a couple of things to bear in mind here. There is a slight bug in TS 7.6. Sometimes when you build a skeleton, as has happened to me between these two videos, you then go into your dynapose and try and do a rotation and nothing happens. Everything is stuck. It all looks normal. The numbers over on your right hand side in the stack view change, but everything locks solid. Unfortunately, the only way around this is to come completely out of TS and back in. So hopefully that will be a fix that will get done in the next version. It's a minor inconvenience, to be honest. Hope that helps. Okay.